If you're dedicated to healthy eating, you may be wondering, how does grass-fed beef fit into a balanced diet? Animal proteins, like beef, are nutrient-dense, making them a delicious and efficient food to help you meet your protein needs. In fact, just one 3-ounce serving of beef provides 51% of your daily value. Here's how beef's nutrients help to support a healthy diet. Protein preserves and builds muscle. Vitamins B12 and B6 maintain brain function. Zinc supports your immune system. Riboflavin gives you energy to get through the day. Selenium defends cells against damage. Niacin supports energy production and metabolism. Phosphorus helps build strong teeth and bones. Iron supports blood production. And last but not least, choline supports nervous system development. Here's what registered dietitian and beef lover Neva Cochran has to say. Beef is a nutrition powerhouse that can be easy to prepare by using common ingredients and matching the right cooking method to the right cut. Beef pairs well with other healthful foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, making it the perfect ingredient for any meal. In short, beef tastes great and it's an important part of a balanced diet. Best yet, there are so many delicious, nutritious beef cuts to enjoy that fit into modern diets like keto or paleo. Taste the difference of grass-fed beef. Our 100% grass-fed and finished beef is in a store near you. Visit grassrunfarms.com/buy to find a store.